Hello everyone. Today I will reveal another powerful extension that I found pretty interesting. Here it is, Legacy New tab made by PixOX. It claims to be a user-friendly solution to help motivate an individual with day-to-day work online. Let's have a closer look. Every time you open a new tab, immediately you will see a greeting, an inspirational quote, a box that displays the date, time, city, temperature, weather, sunrise and sunset time. This data is useful for the user to plan out the rest of the day. First we have the music menu. It's still under development. Next we have the maps menu. This will direct the user to Google Maps. It's quite convenient. Also, this extension provides a to-do list to further plan out day-to-day activities. Lastly, we have the settings menu. Here there are multiple submenus. My favorite sections are the background, challenges and contributors sections. In the background menu, there is an option called Keep this background image. This feature allows the user to keep their background image that is displayed on the screen currently. In challenges, I heard that every now and then the extension sponsors challenges the users in which they actually win money. We will just have to wait and see during the next challenge. Last but not least, we have the contributors section. You can be added to this also. You just have to send an idea in the idea box. And if they like it, they will email you back asking if you would like to be a contributor. Overall, I really like this extension because of its unique design and features. There aren't many other extensions like this out there. Sure, there are extensions like Momentum, but they all require a small fee to give the best experience possible. However, with Legacy New tab, you can enjoy all the features of any other extensions and more for no fee at all. Hope you like and definitely check the link in the description below for this extension. Install it on your Chrome browser and enjoy. Please subscribe and turn on notification for more informative tech videos on iSpecss. Thanks a lot for watching. Let's meet again in our next video. Bye bye.